Oh, wow. Oh, I just had to hold on there because I thought he might have. Away it goes for 6.
Well, it's been a while that I've seen Thisara Perera coming really good. And this is what he's capable of. He can hit the ball a long way.
He did too well.
Very well bowled. Very smartly bowled.
Oh, he does this for fun, you know. Just slaps it out of there.
Thisara, yeah, he's got to keep going. He's got to keep hitting those 6s if World 11...
Fielder there. Oh, hurry. He's okay. Well bowled. They'll be back for a second. Shot, and what a way to bring up the 50 partnership. 14 required from 7 balls. They would love for this to go out the ground as well. 19 off the over so far. Well bowled. It'll only be 1 and pressure. Raise. Oopsie. Wide. -1. Still the 6 balls. He's looking to be wide of stump. Thinking 2, oh dear, misfield, they'll get back. They might get back for a 3rd. Just 2.
Deliveries.
Thinking 2, only 1. Well fielded. Another opportunity to... Yeah, there they are. That's who you're talking about, Waka. What a see, well, hold on, not quite done. Is it out? Will they take it? It's saved. They'll get back for 2.
Well, it's all happening. It is all happening.
Not out against Australia in Cape Town. But can he get this World 11 side over the line? Shot. Just 1. Heavily. Part of it will super over anyone.
Win it comfortably, or it's going to be a big hit coming soon.